Howdy folks, this is the Luxia Greenhouse and it's an absolute gorgeous piece. Now before I give you any dimensions, you need to know that the door is fully movable on this greenhouse at the time of construction. You can have it on the gable ends or the apex sides. Any of the panels can be replaced to facilitate the door. Right, so the frame here is a lacquered powder coated aluminium. There are rubber seals that will regulate the temperature and humidity inside your greenhouse. There's a gutter here, and as we move along you can see that this is the piece that can be moved around to facilitate the door as you need it. It's sleek, polished and well finished, and the door is a sliding door that opens to 77cm, that's 2'6", and the height is 195cm, that's 6'5". As I said, you could have popped the door on this end here if you'd prefer. The glass is 4mm tempered glass, and it comes with the suction cups required for assembly. We've the door on the long side, making it a cottage style, and we've the handle over here on the right. Again, this is fully changeable, you could flip it so the handle is on the other side if you'd prefer. You can see that the finish is as neat as a button, it practically looks seamless, and the door glides across the frame. Now on the sides, we've the built-in outlet spouts that attach to the gutters. These will drain off your rainwater, and if you want, you can cut the spouts to size and collect that rainwater in a barrel or something like that. Inside you can see the structure, it's as solid as a brick. There are diagonal support bars in certain parts, but overall it's simple and solid. Now an interesting thing that comes with the Luxia as standard is the automatically opening windows. You can see you get a thermometer too, and that's because these windows will automatically open based on the internal temperature of the greenhouse. There's a simple but genius wax and spring technology at play here. Basically, as it heats up, the spring slackens and allows the windows to open. You can decide at what temperature between 17 to 25 degrees that you want the window to open at. Right, as we have it, this is 236cm wide, that's about 7'9". It's 156cm deep, that's 5'1", and the apex is 236cm, which again is 7'9". The eaves are 200cm, that's 6'7". These internal seals are hidden away, but they're effective in keeping the temperature consistent on the inside. On the base you'll see the 10cm, 3.9 inch base plate that's included as standard too. Oh, and don't forget these finishing touches. These decorative mouldings are gorgeous and are included as standard too. All the Luxia Greenhouse's hardware is stainless steel and it has a thoroughly premium look and finish. It's manufactured in France and kept in stock in our fingerless warehouse, so you won't be waiting months for it to arrive. Très bien, says you. It has a 15-year warranty on the structure and powder coating and a 10-year warranty on the glazing. Have a look around and you'll see that for the quality that we're offering, this is a fantastic price on a premium greenhouse. You can see this greenhouse in our fingerless showroom or online at shedsdirectireland.com, and don't forget we also offer home finance on all these greenhouses too, so check it out. shedsdirectireland.com. We're bleeding shedly.